So I didn't record much of this, but trying to get the old Super A here to run, and we had the carburetor was flooding real bad. We just decided it was just wore out, so I ordered a new carburetor. Just came in, so we're gonna get that on and try to get this thing fired up. Good shop project for the day. The old carburetor's been worked on quite a few times. Everything's it's just worn out. So we decided to replace it instead of rebuilding it. So compare them up and tell me what you think.
Looks pretty similar. That obviously they got a different connection there.
That's okay. We'll just use that, and then
we'll use that. Or use
yeah, we'll use this because we have that hose. Biggest thing is making sure this here makes sense. So when that's all the way, that linkage looks right.
So when it's towards the front of the tractor is closed.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And this linkage is front of the tractor's open.
That was upside down.
It's got a roll pin in there.
Yeah, we got we can look to see why it's like that. But so to choke, you pull on the choke to choke it, right?
Yeah. That makes sense. You pull on it.
So that one actually operates the opposite direction. So this closes the choke. This closes the choke. It may not matter.
Yeah.
As long as we got room for the bar to be that high. Hit it.
Try the other side, you think?
Now, why is it giving us so much of a fit if it's that easy? It sure gets tight fast. It's almost like it's cross-threading in there. Let me get a wrench. What is that, like a 9/16 or something?
That was pretty good.
Should I take it on around another half turn?
Will it go another half turn?
Once. It'll do it once.
Very scientific work here we're doing.
Mm-hmm. Look at that thread. Peel that thread out of there.
Is that the thread out of this piece or this piece?
Yeah. I'm guessing this piece, but I ain't 100% sure. All right, it'll work this time. As long as that thread didn't leave us a leak path.
Yeah.
All right, try this again. I mean, it looks better than that by sticking the way outside.
Mm-hmm. For sure. Yep.
All right, you ready to install it?
Yep.
Have at it. I'm gonna put this stuff up. The bolts are over there, and
Uh-oh.
What?
Man, it's almost there. I think.
Might put some lube on it. Cool. Ain't got to bend them much.
Okay.
That one's going to be a little more of a problem.
I don't know how it wasn't a problem before. I'll tell you what's a real problem.
What?
Oh, I thought it wasn't going to fit. It fit just fine. Can you see anything in that camera?
Oh, not right this minute, I can't. I can get to my flashlight. Let me get some lights.
You can get dirt in that carburetor.
Yeah. That's good for now. We can reach under there and twist it later. All right, let's try to get it lined back up. There we go.
Once you get it started, you got a pair of shears somewhere.
Oh, got it. I'll get it. Very good. All right.
Okay.
All right. Now we get her on there. Whenever you thought to check the threads and make sure the threads are right.
I did screw it in.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, when it was Adam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you did. Okay, good.
I didn't do it on purpose. Or for that purpose, but.
Look at that. Like a glove. That there turned on us. That's probably gonna leak. Might make another revolution with it.
Is there a thread getting too tight here with that gasket?
I would more about breaking the pot metal than anything. You can actually break the ear off of it. So I wouldn't get too carried away with it. That's good.
That works. Cool. So I just grab that.
Yeah, I'm gonna let that cool for a minute.